Hi, my name is Jesus. I'm from Spain. In 2008, I lost my job because of the recession and it was impossible for me to find another job. I started losing my hair massively. I looked into the mirror and I did not recognize myself. I came to the UK to look for a better life. Once I settled down, I started to look for a solution because my hair problem was affecting me a lot. The surgery went beyond my budget and I found Skalp, the solution to my problems. To be honest, at the beginning, I wasn't 100% sure that I would look fine, but after the first session, all my doubt disappeared. I gained self-confidence. I feel like I had hair again. Now I look way younger, and if I had to recommend Skalp, I would recommend to everyone with hair problems.